guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome to the 4th day in my Kant series. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look which is inspired by Deepika Padukone. So she wore this look on her second red carpet appearance and everybody was talking about it. It was all over Facebook, Instagram, people were putting stories and I love this look, guys. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so bold and dramatic, but it's honestly really simple to do. I literally used just 2 products on my eyes and you can definitely skip one of the products and just do this entire look with one product. So yes, if you'd like to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. To prime my skin today, I'm going to be using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. So I've just dotted this all over my face and now with my hands I'm just going to blend this out. So Deepika had a really dewy base going on. So to get that, I'm going to be using the Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights and I'm going to apply this above my primer. So it's going to be like a layer in between my primer and my foundation. So I'm just dotting this all over my face. Very small amount around my neck and shoulder area. And then with my fingers, I'm just blending this out. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, one of my favoriteest of all times. Dotting this all over my face. And my neck also. With my YPP Makeup Perfector, I'm going to start blending this out. To highlight and contour today, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro concealers. So the light one is in the shade Pure Beige and the contour one is in the shade Toast. Going in with the highlighter first, I'm going to apply it to my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, chin. And I'm also taking it below my contour. Taking the contour shade going on my forehead, cheekbones, jawline, below my lip and nose. Time to blend all of this out. First I'm blending out my highlighted areas and now blending the contours. I'm going in with my highlighter again on the bridge of my nose and with this small brush I'm just going up and down to blend it out. To set all of my contoured and highlighted areas, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour palette. So this palette is really pigmented, guys, so I'm going in with a really light hand. So my contour is already kinda intense today, so I'm making sure that I'm going in with a really light hand just with the idea to set it in. For blush, I'm going to be using this one by Savannah Colors. So in the pictures, it doesn't look like she has much, blush going on. But I saw a video of her makeup being done, like a 1-minute video. In that, they did show that there's something peachy being used onto her cheeks. So I'm using like a peachy pink blush and I'm just going over with my blender to blend it in with my contour and to not make it look too obvious. So now getting to those brows, today I'm going to be using this Savannah Colors eyebrow kit. So generally Deepika has like really well defined brows, but for this particular look she went for like, sparsely filled brows with a lot of texture. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I'm picking out the eyebrow color with a thicker brush. Usually I would use like a thinner brush for this, but today I just want to fill them in. So I'm using this brush and I'm just filling my brows in, not defining it at all. Like, that's all I'm going to do to my brows. It's very weird, but that's what Deepika did. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So now to add that texture into my brows, I'm going to be using the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I absolutely love this, guys. Although I feel it's a little too expensive for the job that it does. Like, you can find cheaper products that make your brows look like this, but this definitely is an amazing product. Starting off with the eyes now, I'm going to be taking the Vivid and Smooth Liner Pencil by Maybelline. This is in the shade Forest Green and it's pretty similar to what Deepika had going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And I'm going to take it out just a little, like an unfinished wing. So I'm taking it till my crease because Deepika's makeup was way above the crease. And now taking this brush, I'm just going to blur out the edges to make sure that they look like smoked out and not extremely harsh. So I should have actually done this before I started my makeup, but I totally forgot to do this. I'm going to take a paper tape and I'm going to apply it on my eye in a manner that it gives me a wing, so that when I'm doing my wing shadow, I get a lot of precision. You should do this before you start out with your eyes, guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my wing bigger, because if you see the pictures, Deepika's wings was literally till her brows. Now again blending all the harsh edges out with this brush. Now what I'm going to do is take this brown shade from my Maybelline Nudes palette and go over the outer area to just blend it out a little more. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to blur out this edge, because she had a really nice wing, but it was not like a sharp wing. It was a faded, blurred wing. So I'm just gonna fade this out. So this eye is pretty much done. I did one eye at a time because I'm using a cream product and this is pretty drying. Like, this pencil dries really quickly. So I wanted to work with one eye, but it works for my advantage because I don't have to set it in with any shadow. This pencil will just do the trick, because now it's like set completely matte and there's nothing coming off. So now I'm just going to repeat the exact same on the other eye. Look at the kind of fool I am. Just forgot this eye. Now forgot this one also. Very nice. Blurring those edges out. Going in with some brown now, and now adding back some green to make up for all the pigmentation that has been lost while blending. Now just blurring out all the edges. So I don't know why my camera stopped recording, guys, but I've just applied the same product onto my waterline, and now with that same brush I'm going to try and blend this out. Now what I'm going to do is take my pencil and sort of connect the wing with the kajal properly, because that's the way Deepika had it on, and making sure I blend them out as well. So the eyes are done and I am loving them. This is so dramatic, but I absolutely love it. Moving on to the lashes. So she didn't have falsies on, but she did have like really nice curled lashes. I think she had extensions on, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna take my Calabar eyelash curler and just curl my lashes. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Falsies mascara and put a thick coat on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Time for some highlights. So she had a really nice silvery toned highlighter going on. So for that I'm going to be using my Savannah Colors highlighter. This is their rose variant, so it has a really nice silvery one on top. So taking it on to my cheekbones first, the tip of my nose and little on the bridge, Cupid's bow, and I'm just going to take a small amount with my finger and apply it below my brow bone. Now finally coming to the lip color, I'm going to be using the MAC Luster lip color in the shade Touch. And I'm just going over with some powder over it to set it matte, because she had a pretty, semi-matte kind of lip color going on. It was not completely matte, but it was not, this lustrous also. I'm just dabbing on some more lip color to get back little luster. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. And I'll see you tomorrow in my 5th video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.